Hey everybody, just a quick video today to unbox this surprise gift or package from YouTube Hong Kong, and also talk a little bit about my channel in 2018 and my favorite non-smartphone gadget of the year. So the reason I'm doing this is because I didn't even know this was a thing, but I have apparently been named by YouTube Hong Kong as one of the top 10 rising creators of the year. And this is just based in Hong Kong, so I don't even know how many YouTubers there are in Hong Kong. I think most YouTubers in Hong Kong probably have a channel in Cantonese. So I'm not too familiar with that because I mostly watch English content. But with that said, I'm very thankful and flattered to be named. So thank you to YouTube Hong Kong. They delivered this package to me today. Unfortunately, I wasn't there in person to accept the package, so this was given to me by my doorman, basically. So let's open up to see what's in there. Dear Ben, congratulations. You are YouTube Hong Kong Top Rising Creator 2018. Okay. Okay, so this is a Rubik's Cube. So YouTube Rewind, it's something YouTube has been doing for years now. It's basically, it allows creators to look back on the year, look at the best content, or just a recap of the year. So this is why for this video, I'm also going to talk about my favorite non-smartphone gadget. Oh, what? Okay, I didn't know they would put me on the Rubik's Cube. That's pretty interesting. Oh, that's cute. Ben's gadget review on the search bar, YouTube. Oh, okay. I don't even remember what video this is from. You can see I'm wearing a sweater, so I know it's earlier this year when it was cold, because Hong Kong is hot like 9 months of the year. So what does it say here? 181,000 views. I hope this is real. It's not like an embellished number. There's a thumbs up, so thank you for putting that thumbs up there. And right here it says YouTube 香港2018年度10大本地人氣創作者. So this is YouTube Hong Kong 2018 top 10 rising rising creator, just like the English award. So okay, this is a very easy Rubik's Cube to solve because it's not like a lot of different colors. It's just gotta line up my face. So yeah, thank you YouTube Hong Kong, and I'm flattered. So as mentioned, the whole reason for YouTube Rewind is for creators to look back on the year. So initially, when YouTube Hong Kong reached out to me to tell me about this award, they wanted me to potentially make a video about my top 10 gadgets of the year. So I'm gonna hold off on that because I'm gonna make a top 10 smartphones of the year video later on. So yeah, I know that a lot of US tech sites have already made a list, but I can't make that list yet because I live in Hong Kong and Chinese brands just won't stop. There are actually 2 more launch events coming up next week that I'm going to. So one of the phones has already been spoiled on Twitter, so it's the Vivo Nex 2. So I'll be getting my hands on the Vivo Nex 2 with 2 screens, one on the front, one on the back next week, and after that I will be going to a second launch event for a mysterious Honor device. So I can't really talk about it yet, but it's going to be a pretty cool looking phone. So that's why I can't really do my top 10 smartphones of the year list yet until at least I look at those 2 phones. But I can say right now, the Oppo R17 Pro probably has my favorite looking back of the phone. So just purely aesthetically speaking, just looking at the back, I'm just really attracted to this color and this matte finish. Like I'm using this as my daily driver right now, and I just find myself throughout the last 2-3 days just kind of like, I'll have my phone flat face down on a table and I'll be working, and I'll just be leaning over to look at the phone and be like, wow, this is like a gorgeous, beautiful looking phone. But as I mentioned, I'm not really gonna talk about smartphones too much. I'm gonna instead name my top non-smartphone gadget 2018, and that would have to be the Insta360 One X. So this is a consumer level VR 360 camera, and I like it because this is probably the best on the market right now at its price range. It can shoot video at 5.7K resolution or at 4K 50 FPS, and when you shoot at 50 FPS, it's super smooth. But it's not just the hardware that makes the One X really good. Insta360 has developed a really useful, intuitive software that, see right now, It's very easy to use. It syncs up to iPhones or Androids really easily. And I just want to show you some footage I shot. Like, just, it's really crisp. So this is in Tokyo, 50 frames per second, 4K. This is me crossing the street in Ginza. So yeah, this footage looked pretty damn crisp, right? I mean, look at how clear everything is. Dynamic range is pretty good. It's not really overexposing the lights that badly. But as I mentioned, it's the software that makes it amazing. I really like this mode called free capture. So right now, this is a 360 video. So I can only post this on YouTube and Facebook and not much else. Like if you post this on Instagram, it doesn't work. You can't have a 360 video on Instagram. You can't post it on Twitter. So if you want to post it on those platforms, what you can do is use free capture to turn it into a flat 2D video. But it's not just any generic 2D video. It's a 2D video in which you become the director. You get to pick and choose how to pan. So I'll do it right now really quick. So I'll do viewfinder option. So let me lift up this tripod. This is going to be a little bit janky. So basically, you just have to hold on to this red button and then you move the phone around to choose how you pan. So let's start right now. So move, and then you can also zoom out to tiny planet, zoom back in, tilt, zoom out again, turn left, turn right, all around. So after that, I'm just gonna save the video. You can change aspect ratio. So you see, this app is so good. It allows you to do so many different things. So you can make it 16:9 for Facebook, or 9:16 for Instagram stories. So I'll make it 1:1. That's more like a safe aspect ratio. And then you just have to click on save, save the album, export. So this will take maybe like 45 seconds. Well, actually not really, no, it's going really fast. So now just like that, it's been saved to my Facebook album. So now I have a standard 2D video that moves around just like how I moved around earlier. See, now I can post this on Instagram. Pretty awesome, right? Yeah, so this is why the Insta360 ONE, it's my favorite non-smartphone gadget of the year. Everywhere I go now, this is like my top 2 or 3 accessories that I have to bring. And it really helps that Insta360 includes this selfie stick. You attach it on top of it. Yeah, I had a little mishap with my finger yesterday playing drums. And then my friend gave me this Band-Aid, I think, as a joke, but yeah. So you put this on the selfie stick, and the software will erase the selfie stick from your hand. So when you do that, it looks like the camera's floating on top of you. Yeah, so you see right now, I have the camera on a selfie stick, but you cannot see the selfie stick. It's been magically erased. So now it just looks like the camera, it's floating above me. How cool is that? And this is Paris, by the way. Yeah, so Insta360 ONE X, my favorite gadget of 2018. So thanks once again to YouTube Hong Kong for making a Rubik's Cube out of my face. Pretty sure my girlfriend will have plenty of fun with this. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna have 2 more videos coming next week from Beijing and Shanghai, and after that I'm probably done for the year. So thanks for watching. Thanks for the support.